Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present our IDS mini project, which is ARP positioning for attacking and ARP table for defending. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is open the virtual board and start running the Kalina and Ubuntu. Okay. Okay. So in this scenario, we are going to use our Kalina as a as attacker while Ubuntu server as a victim. So the first thing that we need to do is open the terminal and insert command ifconfig to check the IP address. As you can see, this is our IP address. So and insert command route dash n to see our default gateway. So as you can see, this is our default gateway. So in the Kali Linux, open the terminal, go to the root mode with command sudo su, enter our password, and enter the command ethercap dash g to start the ethercap. So okay, accept button, start the unified sniffing, click on the scan button to scan the whole netmask for Ubuntu. Okay, let's see on the host list. Oh, as you can see, we have already has a bunch of IP address on our host list. This all the subnet on the same network. As you can see, there is a Ubuntu IP address and default IP address. So click on the Ubuntu IP address and add to the target one, while default gateway to the target two. Okay, so we have done add our IP to the specific target. So before we start the ARP positioning, we need to configure something in the terminal. Okay, so let's open a new terminal. In this terminal, we are going to use it for the Wireshark. So instead the command cat proc sysnet IPv4 IP underscore forward, and when we hit enter, we can see the value is 0. So we are gonna change it to the 1 to start the Wireshark capturing. So echo 1 proc sysnet IPv4 IP underscore forward, and when we hit enter, we are done with the configuration on Linux. So we are going to start the Wireshark with command Wireshark and symbol. Okay, and then we are going to cache all the traffic on the ETH0. Okay, as you can see, there is a traffic going in and out. Okay, so we have done with the capturing in traffic. So let's go back to the EtherCap and then click on the MITM menu and click on the ARP positioning. So choose the sniff remote connection and click OK. After we have done it with this, go to the capturing Wireshark and we can see the all the packet on the ARP. ARP position can be used to gain the user credential, password, and username. Okay, let me example for you. So go to the Firefox and go to any website that you want. For example, so let's go for sign up. Okay, insert the username test and password test. After that, click on the login button, and if you see on the Kali Linux, the attacker can see your username test and password test on how the attacker can gain your username and password credential on any website that you want that you log in. Okay, next, if you want to see if we have been a poison or not, so what you can do is go to the terminal and insert the command ARP-A. So this command will show all the ARP. uh, so as you can see, okay, if you can see in here, there is two IP address, which is a default gateway, and this IP using so since this is IP default gateway, so this probably attacker IP address. So if you want to check this the attacker IP address or not, we can go to the Kali and insert the command if config. So as you can see in here, the attacker IP address is the same on here. Okay. So the way we want to prevent the spoofing on the MAC address of the IP default gateway, we can just insert the command ARP as default gateway IP address, and insert the MAC address 01. Okay. So this is a the IP default gateway and its own MAC address. So hit the enter button, and if we check on the ARP-A, so as you can see on the default gateway, which is 10.100.127.254 at this MAC address. So this is the right MAC address for this IP address. So this is the way to prevent from your MAC address to be spoofed by attacker. So this method is called ARP static table, which is you create your you create a rule to specify a MAC address for IP address. So it cannot be changed if attacker want to use the ARP poisoning. So that's all for this demonstration. So thank you.